Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an animated assembly of our solar car. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your assembly that we did in our previous video. I'm going to go ahead and minimize a couple things here. And what we want to do now is come on up to our workspace and we want to change it to animation. So the first thing we always do typically in an animation is come on up here and we use our transform components option. So I'm going to click there and I'm just going to go ahead now and start transforming our components and pulling them out. I'm going to zoom in here and I'm going to rotate this a little bit so I can get a better view and see things a little bit better here. So I'm going to move that guy out about, let's just go with 3 inches. Select OK. Now let's do the same for the back wheel here. We're going to come to transform. Once again, pull it away a distance of, 3 inches. Okay. And now let's click on our axle here and we're going to pull that one out. Something, just kind of eyeball it, maybe like minus 2.5. Enter. Let's do the same for the other back axle. Transform it and take it out once again, 2.5. Select OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out this little gear here. Click on transform. Click on the part. There we go. And I'm just going to kind of, I don't know, maybe 1 inch. Probably does the trick. Select OK. Alright, I'm going to rotate this guy around and I'm going to repeat this process for these two wheels now. Let's get a good view here though first. Transform, click on the wheel, pull that guy out, maybe minus 0.5. Do the same for this one. Minus 0.5. Enter. And then let's come on over here. Click on the motor here. We're going to pull our motor out. Let's do minus 1. And then let's click on our solar panel and bring that guy up a distance of like 1.5 probably looks good. Select OK. And now if we hit play, you'll see basically, how your solar car comes apart. Or if we click over here on storyboard and we go reverse, we could see how things are assembled, right? And one thing I like to do is sort of stagger my movements. So here's my axle. So I'm going to have my axle come in, and then I'm going to have my wheel come in. Okay, and then my second axle's back here, and then I'm going to have that guy come in next, and then this wheel come on next. Okay, and then let's go ahead now and have our motor come in. And then our spur gear come on. And then our last two wheels come on. And then lastly, our solar panel. So now let's go ahead and click play. And it looks good. So you can see, if you stagger them like this, you can see how each part comes on one at a time. Okay. Now I'm going to move this up a bit because I want to show you guys, okay, this camera movement here. Let's delete it. And then delete it. I'm going to hit play. Now right here, I'm going to rotate it around. So you can see the other side of the wheels come on. All right, looks pretty good. When you're done, go ahead and select save. Okay, make sure you save it. And in the next video, I will show you how to make an exploded view from this guy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you.